If hacking really worked the way it does in movies, everyone would be doing it. You wouldn't need courses, you wouldn't need practice, you'd just type fast, hit enter, and then magically be in. That version of hacking doesn't exist though, and believing it is one of the biggest reasons people give up when they try to learn something new like cybersecurity. Every hacking scene looks the same. Someone starts typing like their life depends on it, green text is everywhere, random windows pop up, progress bars flying across the screen, then access granted. No mistakes, no waiting, no thinking, it's just hacking looks like speed is skill, and that's the first lie. Most beginners come into hacking expecting a moment, like this is the scan, this is the exploit, or this is where it works. That moment almost never happens. What actually happens is you stare at an output and think, I don't know what I'm actually looking at yet, and that's the part that nobody warned you about. The problem isn't just that it's unrealistic. The problem is that it sets completely wrong expectations. People come into cybersecurity thinking I just need to learn the right tools, or I need to memorize commands, or I need Kali Linux. Then they sit in front of a terminal and they have no idea what to do. That's not because they're bad at it, it's because they were shown the wrong things. In reality, real hacking is slow. Most of the time you're not doing anything. You're looking, you're reading, and you're checking small details. You run a command, you wait, you look at the output, then you stop and think, what does this actually tell me? There's no dramatic moments, there's no instant success. Half the time, nothing happens at all. And that's normal. And this is the part that movies never show. So just to show you exactly how long it takes, I'm going to run a scan right here, and I'm going to tell you about Wraith Energy while it runs in the background. Wraith Energy is a powdered drink that you add to water. You can get caffeine versions, or you can get hydration versions with no caffeine at all. Very low calories and zero sugar. One of the best things about Wraith Energy is you don't get crashes. You just kind of carry on through your day as normal. It wears off slowly, so you kind of start getting tired as you normally would. I normally have a caffeine one when I wake up, and then around midday I have a hydration one, so I'm not having caffeine for the rest of the day. Works really well for me and doesn't keep me up late. And if this sounds interesting to you in any way, then get down in the description, there's a link down there, go and buy yourself some stuff, use code GREENLIKEN at checkout and you can get 10% off your order for every time you order. Hacking isn't about fast typing, it's about asking the right questions. What is this system? What's running on it? What can we actually see from here? What operating system is it running? If you don't understand what you're looking at, then no tool in the world is going to save you. Let me give you a real example without teaching anything. When I run a scan, I'm not thinking, cool, ports. I'm thinking, why is this open and not that? What does this tell me about the system? And if you can't answer those questions, then the tool doesn't matter. Any time that you see an open port, you're trying to figure out how you can utilize that port to get access to a system or find information. That's it. And that's why beginners get stuck. They're trying to hack without understanding systems first. To be fair, real hacking would be boring to watch. You imagine a hacking scene where someone runs a scan, waits, reads text, gets nothing useful, tries again, changes their approach, waits again, then finally finds out some information they need, then scans again, and then waits again. That's not exciting on screen, so movies skip all of that. They replace understanding with visuals and speed with noise, but that doesn't mean that it's accurate. The biggest lie movies create is that it tells you that hacking is about tools, but tools don't decide what to do. They don't tell you where to look, and they don't think for you. If you don't know why you're running something, the output is just text on the screen. And that's why memorizing commands doesn't work, and why people feel lost even after learning tools. Real hacking starts with discovery. Before exploits, payloads or anything flashy, you need to understand what's there first. That's the part that nobody shows you, and it's the part that most beginners skip. If hacking really worked instantly, it wouldn't be valuable. The reason this skill exists at all is because systems are messy, slow and inconsistent. Anyone telling you hacking is fast is either skipping steps or not explaining what's actually happening. Once you understand the system, everything else starts to make sense. And if you want to understand how all of this works, then I do beginner series and explanations on hacking stuff. You don't get movie stuff, fake hacking or anything like that, it's just how real systems behave and how you read them. So if you want to learn that sort of stuff, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. And while you're doing that, check out this video up here which explains exactly what hacking is so you can get a full understanding of it instead of what the movies tell you.